car intro. Oh, it's been a while. Welcome to Nick's Nature. We're going on adventures. Solo style, yeah. So, how's it going? I guess I'm gonna do this intro in the car because there is a car here. I don't know where the person is, but I don't want to run into them doing this. But yeah, I'm at some place. Isn't that descriptive? Gilliom-Cherp Nature Park. Anyway, it wasn't where I was originally planning to go, but it'll be interesting just to see what's going on. It's threatening to rain, so we'll see how the day goes. But yeah, this will be fun. Fancy. Whoa. Okay. This has been interesting so far. Going down like this crazy, weird path to just super zoom in on my face. Of course I forgot any kind of camera stick or anything. Whoa. This is wild. It's wild. Whoa. Okay, probably more of this soon. It's a fork. Uh-oh. I see you, mosquitoes. I forgot bug spray. Could go this way. Or we could go this way, I think. Since I didn't plan appropriately. Oh no, so many mosquitoes. I think I'm going to take the shorter route here, and we're gonna have to come back, because this is crazy. Crazy. Stop number one. Small, teeny tiny adventure. Part one, whatever. Just success. I don't know. We made it. I'm like kind of next to a house, so I don't want to be super loud, but it's really pretty so far. Sandusky Hollow, I think. Look, here's the... Ooh. And of course I want to do that one. I can't help myself, but let's just come over here. Yeah, the map, the glass on the map isn't in super great shape, but super pretty. Okay, we're gonna start walking because I don't know what to expect. We got bug spray and I basically drenched myself, so okay, I want to go because I'm next to a house. Bye. This place is cool. Don't mind me and my stringy hair. But anyway, yeah, this is really neat. Very serene. Like, you can kind of hear a hum from the highway. I think it's the highway that's close by. But it's pretty cool. Yeah, this place would be so buggy if I didn't have bug spray. Like, it is already buggy, but so it's kind of neat once you get up. Kind of like does this big loop, and it has different parts of the path that break off. Stupid hair. Anyway, so like over here, this one is maple, and then you can like walk down this path, and then I think it just cuts around, so you can determine, you know, how far you go. This bench, oh, it's unfortunate. Maybe I could donate something somewhere. Anyway, yeah, it's places to sit, even if it might not be in the 100% condition right now. But yeah, this is cool. It's just going to be a bunch of me being like, wow, how cool, and like path footage, but whatever, it doesn't matter. This is what this is. This is what the nature adventure is. It's really cool. If there were any posts or anything, then I'd like read our information off. But yeah, I don't know. Let's see what else. This is pretty. Pretty decent. It's like 2 feet deep, but hard to tell. I don't see anything moving in it. There's a squirrel. Watch out. It's crazy. Super crazy. And now I'm on a bench. I put down my poncho to keep myself from like sitting on it because it's pretty wet, but this is really cool. That's what I've said before. The path is like really well made, and the scenery, like, I don't even know if you can even tell. This camera will not even do the nature justice, but the only weird thing is behind me are houses. I don't know if you can really tell, but yeah. Yeah, so I'm just gonna hang out and sit here for a little bit, trying to like take my time, because I don't think 1.75 is as much, like, I don't think it takes as much time as it sounds like it would. So yeah, this is it. I want to eat a snack and chill for a minute. We're finding a new spot because I heard people doing something, I don't know. So we're gonna go walk somewhere else. Ooh, big hill. To a new area to settle in. I want to go down that trail so bad. Like, it looks so cool. But we're going this way instead. I don't know if I'm still going the right way. I don't know if I'm still going the right way. I don't know if I'm still going the right way. This is very strange. I feel like I'm walking up into somebody's backyard trail. Okay. Should have gone to Hickory. It even had an arrow that pointed this way. What's happening? Oh wait. Okay. I found it. Weird. Oh, this is strange. See? And then, oh man, I had so many doubts. I was like, I feel like I'm just walking up to the back of somebody's house. Ooh, okay, I can't see anything. It's a lot of grass to cut. Wow. Just, you know, wandering behind people's houses. That's it, that's all. I'm glad the crisis has been averted. Jeez, that was scary. I'm going to end up regretting walking this much. I can feel it, but we're doing it anyway. I need to see. Anyway, okay, bye. It's threatening to rain. I felt a few sprinkles. What's on these flowers? Nothing. Phew. I miss my resting spot. I'm sure there's another bench somewhere. Weird. So strange. Okay. And we're off. Oh look, it's the one trail. That would have been through the trees instead of around this field. I think this bench is a solid bench to sit on, so we're gonna take a break. I'm like, so yeah, great times. Anyway, yeah, this has been really cool. Really fun and pretty. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, I'm done. Bye. Well, it's starting to rain. Had a little break. I've been walking some. But I think this is a good time to end this. I don't know how much of a video it'll be, but it was fun adventuring. And yeah, I just figured before it gets too wet out, I should finish this up. But yeah, this was cool. I'm gonna have to come back. And there's some other places around here to check out too, so we'll do that at some point. But yeah, thanks for watching, and until the next one, bye! Kind of see. Oh, my speaker just turned off.